Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sign up in Facebook. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Facebook. If you are using mobile device, then you can just click on the Facebook app and it will open. And if you are using a PC, then you can just follow through the process that I am saying currently. So firstly, you need to open a web browser. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Now you just have to type Facebook and press enter in the keyboard. Now the Facebook will be shown to you. Now you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be a box, and on the bottom of the box there will be create a new account button. So you just have to click on that, create a new account, and another pop-up box will open. So now you just have to enter your first name, your last name, your birth date, your mobile phone or email, and after that you just have to enter your new password, and you just need to click on the sign up button and you will be able to sign up in Facebook without any problem. So this is how to easily sign up in Facebook. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.